everyone, welcome to Mark My Tutor. I am Dr. Sasanka, your biology faculty. Today we are going to discuss KCET 2025 question paper biology. First question. When pollen grain of a flower of a plant pollinate with the stigma of flower of another plant. Remember, there are two plants in the question. Coming to options. First option is autogamy. What is autogamy? Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma within the same flower. So the pollination happens within the same flower. So option number 1 is wrong. Dichogamy. Dichogamy is maturation of anther and stigma at different time. Not dichogamy. Next, geitonogamy. Geitonogamy is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma from one flower to other flower within the same plant. So it is not geitonogamy. The option is xenogamy. Xenogamy is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma from one flower to other flower of different plants. Moving to second question. Fusion of male gametes with the central cell in the embryo sac of an angiosperm is called. So the option is triple fusion. Why not Singhani? Triple fusion is fusion of one male gamete with two polar nuclei which are present in central cell. That is triple fusion. Whereas Singhami is fusion of one male gamete with egg cell is called Singhami. So the correct option is triple fusion. Which of the option is true in the content of above diagram of a pollen grain? So this is pollen grain. So we need to find out what is A and what is B. First option, A is a vegetative cell. True, A is a vegetative cell which give rise to male gametes. No, vegetative cell doesn't give rise to male gametes. Second option, A is generative cell. No, A is not generative cell. A is vegetative cell and B is generative cell. Third option, A is vegetative cell. True, with abundant food reserve materials. True, B is generative cell which forms male gametes. So the correct option is 3. Match the hormone with its site of production. Option A is HCG and HPL. Remember what is HCG? Human chorionic gonadotropin. HPL is human placental lactogen which is secreted by placenta. Remember, HCG and HPL are exclusively produced in pregnant women. By matching the option, you can see it is only there in option number 4. Yes, we will try to match the rest options. Progesterone is produced by corpus luteum, androgens are produced by Leydig cells, and relaxin is produced by ovary. So the correct option is 4. Choose the correct sequence of sperm transport during ejaculation. Remember human reproduction chapter. The sperm travel from seminiferous tubules to ejaculatory tract and the correct sequence is option 4. The sperm transfer from seminiferous tubules, rete testis, vaca efferentia, epididymis, vasa efferens and ejaculatory duct. Select the mismatch pair. So what is the first option? First month of pregnancy, formation of heart. True. In the first month of pregnancy, formation of heart of fetus is next. Second month of pregnancy, movement of fetus. No, false. In the 5th month of pregnancy, we can see the movement of fetus. Third month of pregnancy, formation of most of the major organ systems. True. 6th month of pregnancy, eyelid separation and eyelashes are formed. True. So what is the mismatch pair? The second one is mismatch pair. So correct option is 1. Out of the following option, identify which is not a natural method of contraception. So the options are implants, lactation amenorrhea, periodic abstinence, and coitus interruptus. So implants are the not natural method of contraception. Implants are done externally, or these are the external source of contraceptive methods. In zygote intrafallopian tube transfer called SIFT, the embryo up to dash stage is transferred into fallopian tube. The correct option is 8 blastomeres. Read the following statements. Statement 1. MTP. What is MTP? Medical termination of pregnancy. MTP is to get rid of wanted pregnancies due to casual unprotected intercourse or failure of contraceptives used during coitus or rape. And MTPs are performed legally by qualified doctors by giving proper medical justification. So we need to choose the correct answer from the options given below. So MTPs is used to get rid of wanted pregnancies. False. It is used to get rid of unwanted pregnancies. So statement 1 is false and statement 2 is correct. What is the option? Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Option 3. How many types of gametes will be formed by parent with genotype capital A small a, capital B small b, capital C small c? So, how many types of genotypes are there? Here we can see 3 heterozygous gene pairs are seen, and we need to find out types of gametes. So remember, there is a rule, 2 power n rule. What is n here? N is number of heterozygous gene pairs. So substitute number of heterozygous gene pairs in the place of n, 2 power 3, that is 8. So the total number of types of gametes produced is 8. When a single gene exhibits multiple phenotypic expression, the phenotype is called pleiotropy. In pleiotropy, single gene exhibit multiple phenotypic expression, and the classic example is phenylketonuria and sickle cell anemia. So you might get confused with polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance is many genes express one single trait, whereas pleiotropy, single gene exhibit multiple phenotypic expressions. A colorblind man marries a carrier woman. The percentage of their colorblind progeny in the next generation will be. So what is the condition here? A man is colorblind, marries a carrier woman. So we need to find out the number of colorblind progeny in the next generation. So we need to put the genotype. Genotype of male is he is a colorblind, whereas the genotype of female is she is a carrier. Let's put this in a Punnett square. Colorblind male, carrier woman. How many children were affected? One daughter with colorblind, one son with colorblind, and one daughter is carrier and one male is unaffected. So out of 4, 2 children were affected. So the percentage is 50%. Identify which one of the following pair of options is correct with respect to Down syndrome and Turner syndrome. First option is short stature and gynecomastia in male. No. In Turner syndrome, we cannot see gynecomastia in male. Second option, round heart, partially open mouth, overall masculine development. No, he cannot see overall masculine development. Option C, broad form, physical and mental development retardation, and in Turner syndrome, sterile female with rudimentary ovaries. Yes, true. And fourth option, additional copy of X chromosome, absence of X chromosome, false. What is the option now? Option 2 is correct. RNA polymerase 2 is responsible for transcription of. So there are 3 polymerases, RNA polymerase 1, 2 and 3. 2 is responsible for transcription of hnRNA. It will transcribe hnRNA to mature messenger RNA. Which of the following enzyme increases the permeability of the bacterial cell to lactose? Remember, lactoperon. Permease is the enzyme which is responsible to transport lactose into the bacterial cell.